First, I'm gonna say that game development is not easy. Here's a reason why I have so many tutorial videos. For my project, we have player movement, which is quite detailed, jumping, sliding, rolling, and so on. We also have punching and kicking, which requires some sort of a combat system where the target being hit will have certain responses depending on what the attack is. We have AI, where we'll have enemy pathfinding as well as attacking in order to make the game more challenging. All these things are intertwined with each other, like a complex machine with many moving parts. It takes a long time to build a system that integrates everything and eventually turn it into a video game. So it's natural that it takes many videos or many hours to complete a project. I can't explain everything in my videos, things like lists and dictionaries or other basic programming knowledge, because that would take even more time. But I do try to record the entire process. At the end of this project, we'll have a fully playable game and recordings of every step of the way. If you already have prior experience in game development, you can just watch parts of a video and understand what I did by looking at my project in my repository. And even if it might be impossible for anyone to watch every single video, I think there's value in recording the entire process. Please understand that a game has many moving parts and it takes time and effort to make it. Thanks for watching and have fun building games.